Hello everybody, welcome once again. Here is Rajesh sir YouTube channel, and sir, let me give my warm welcome first of all of you that you are available here on my YouTube channel and watching it regularly and taking the knowledge one by one. And we are studying here the biology. In biology, we are studying in WBC. In WBC, we are going to study two types of WBC, as we have known as differentiate monocyte and lymphocytes. And the lymphocytes differentiate into two types, B lymphocyte and T lymphocyte. First of all, we will describe here the monocyte part of the WBC and how many percent of it's available. So what is the lifespan of these WBC functions is related to which and where does it forms and synthesize these monocytes, and also a lymphocyte, B lymphocyte and T lymphocyte, what is relations between them and where does it works, and what will be the better performance. That's the important point of view to our bodies. These are the different types of the structures and the features. With the help of that, so we will describe one by one. So please don't forget and to share, subscribe and like my channel. So first of all, at starting I am telling you that you will certainly become profitable and aggregators and secure great marks in your examinations. So if you are following the Rajesh YouTube channels, certainly you become a success, and not only success but 99% marks you will secure in your examinations point of view. It's a guarantee of the Rajesh. So listen carefully and see there's a WBC. As we earlier mentioned that WBC is second parts of the blood corpuscle cells, RBC, WBC and platelets. So WBC is the second part of the blood's corpuscle cells. Here is WBC differentiate into two parts, that is called monocyte, and the second is lymphocyte. All lymphocytes differentiate into two parts, B lymphocytes, and here is T lymphocytes. So B lymphocytes, first of all we will take here and start with the monocytes. What is monocytes? Monocytes, it is about 6% of total WBC. It is about 6% of total WBC in bloods. WBC in bloods and nucleus of the monocytes are horse shoe shapes. Here we will draw the structures of nucleus. If you see the nucleus, it's rounded spherical blood cells and corpuscle cells are monocytes. And if we do this, we will see that this is the horseshoe shaped nucleus. So here is the horseshoe shaped nucleus. We can watch this clearly and study it well, so that you can also always examine from the point of view. This is horseshoe shape nucleus. Horseshoe shaped nucleus and structure of monocytes of bloods. These are the structures of monocytes of bloods. I have described you one by one. So what is the large and horseshoe shapes and large in size? Nucleus are large in size, horseshoe shapes, and lifespan. We will discuss about lifespan. Here is the lifespan of the monocytes. Lifespan of the monocyte is 28 days, nearly 28 days. And so formations or synthesis formations, formations. Monocytes synthesize in bone marrow and synthesize in bone marrow are either are in lymphocytes in bone marrows. Example, in lymphocytes in bone marrow. Example, spleen. Sorry. Example, yes, spleen, and also we can say that's lymph nodes. These are the lymph nodes, and we will discuss about the what is the functions. Now functions. Here is the functions. Lifespan functions. What is the functions? Monocytes are form the it play important role in formation of phagocyte cells. Yes, formation of phagocyte cells. Phagocyte cells is forms, and now we will discuss about the second parts. First parts we have done here. Second parts is second here first, and the second we will discuss the lymphocytes. Locations, we will discuss locations. Here is the lymphocytes. It is 26% of total WBC. It is 26% of total WBC, and round shapes. Nucleus is round in shape. Nucleus is round in shapes, and round in shapes of formations. Where does it forms? It is synthesized in bone marrow. It synthesizes in bone marrow. Differentiated bone marrow and differentiated bone marrow differentiated in the lymphocytes cells, differentiated in lymphocyte cells. And now we'll discuss about the parts of the B lymphocytes, types of lymphocytes, and functions. First of this functions, we will write here functions of lymphocytes. What is functions? Functions of lymphocyte. We will discuss about the functions of lymphocyte. Lymphocytes, it is helpful in the formations of immunity systems. It is helpful in formation of immunity systems, and that is why it is two types. Lifespan is near about 3 days. And it is two types: B cells, B lymphocytes lymphocytes. It's found in bone marrow. B for bone marrow, and the T lymphocyte cells. Lymphocytes, that is thymus gland associated T lymphocytes. It forms immunity. It is involved in immunity system. Four types of immunoglobulin form. Immunoglobulin, that is IgG, IgA, IgE, IgM, and Ig. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are the immunoglobulins, and immunoglobulins that helpful and the protective natures, and that forms the such types of the protections through which we can save our body from the other pathogens and the harmful activities that's coming inside our body and affect and destroy and makes some illness and many types of the dangerous disease. Thank you very much for coming on server. Again, I will first surely warn you that don't forget to subscribe and share my video, otherwise you will certainly miss this video. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.